fight to stop this corruption. We're fighting for a younger generation. My Hana Ike Iyamao. Give me say, stand strong, always and forever. Cause we are the keepers of this island. Hawaiians, stand and represent. Yes, we are Hawaii's finest. Give me say, stand strong, always and forever. We are the keepers of this island. Hawaiians, stand and represent. Yes, we are Hawaii's finest. Come on. I feel for the changes that are to come. They wanna change our ways of life. They think they've won, but it's written in our history. It's in our genealogy. This land belongs to Kanaka Maoli. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, this land belongs to Kanaka Maoli. Oh yeah, stand strong, always and forever. Cause we are the keepers of this island. Hawaiians, stand and represent. Yes, we are Hawaii's finest. Let me say, stand strong, always and forever. We are the keepers of this island. Hawaiians, stand and represent. Yes, we are Hawaii.